Hello everyone, welcome to Aryanth Academy YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Devang Parikh, Senior Biology Faculty. Today I'll be discussing NEET UG 2023 Zoology section. My paper code is G6. So let us start with the paper. First question, you have matched the columns. So the correct answer is option 3, that is gene A is responsible for enzyme transacetylase, gene Y for enzyme permease, gene I for synthesis of repressor protein and gene Z for beta galactosidase. I hope you know all these gene and proteins are associated with lac operon. Next question. Again, two statements are given. So, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. The reason statement 1, ligament is dense regular tissue and not irregular, and cartilage is a connective tissue and not dense regular tissue. Then question 153, assertion and reason type. Here the assertion is false but reason is true. They have said that amniocentesis is used for sex determination, which is incorrect. We use amniocentesis for finding out genetic defect in the embryo. And use of amniocentesis help us to control the menace of female feticide, which is correct. So it's option 1. Next, again match the column. So correct option is option 3. Cartilaginous joint between adjacent vertebrae. Then ball and socket joint is humerus and glenoid cavity of pectoral girdle. Fibrous joint is between flat skull bone, and the saddle joint is between the carpal and metacarpal of thumb. Next one, again two statements are given. So the correct answer is both statement 1 and 2 are true. Both statements are true. Vas deferens receives a duct from seminal vesicle and open into urethra as ejaculatory duct, which is correct. Second statement, cavity of cervix is called cervical canal, which along with vagina forms the birth canal. So both statements are correct here. Next one, which one of the following technique does not serve the purpose of early diagnosis of a disease for its early treatment? See here the key word is early treatment. So here the correct option is serum and urine analysis. Serum analysis is your blood test and urine test. This will not help you in early treatment of a disease. Next one, which of one of the following common STD is completely curable when detected early and treated properly? So it is obviously gonorrhea. As you know, it's a bacterial disease, so we can definitely cure completely with antibiotics. Next one, which of the following is not a cloning vector? So as you know, BAC, YAC and PBR322, all three are cloning vector. So the correct option is number 1. Next, again match the column. Correct option is number 2, that is CCK from pancreas, secreted from pancreas, gastric inhibitory peptide secreted by gastric gland, atrial natriuretic factor secreted from atria of heart, and antidiuretic hormone is acting on kidney. So that's correct option is option 2. 160 question, which of the following are not considered as part of endomembrane system? So here the correct option is answer 3, because mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome, they are not part of endomembrane system. Endomembrane system will include endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. 161, again match the columns. Correct option is option 4. Tinea is flame cells because they are flatworms. Then you have paramecium, which is contractile vacuole for excretion. Periplaneta, that is cockroach, excretory organ is uricose gland. And Pheretima postuma, that is earthworm, excretory organ is nephridia. So basically this relates to different animals with their excretory organ. Next one, once the undigested and unabsorbed substance enter the cecum, that is large intestine, their backflow is prevented by. So the answer is ileocecal valve. That is option 3. Because you know ileocecal valve is at the junction of small and large intestine, that is ileum and cecum. And any valve in our body is to prevent the backflow. Next one, again match the columns. This is related to different parts of your eyeball. Fovea. Correct option answer is number 2. Fovea is a point of greatest visual acuity or resolution, because you know fovea contain only cone cells. Next, iris. Iris is visible colored portion of eye which control the diameter of pupil. Then you have blind spot. It is a point from where optic nerve leave the eyeball. So you don't have rod and cone cells there, and hence it's called blind spot. And sclera. Sclera is the external layer of eye which is formed of dense connective tissue. And you know sclera is a white portion in our eyeball. So correct answer is option 2. Next one, again match the columns. Correct answer is option number 2. Leopard and lion in a forest grassland. So obviously this is which type of relationship or interaction? It is direct competition. Then you have a cuckoo laying egg in a crow's nest. So that is a brood parasitism. Fungi and root of higher plant forming mycorrhiza, which is mutualism. Both are helping each other. And a cattle egret and a cattle in a field. This is commensalism, where egret is benefited and cattle is not affected. So correct option is answer 2. Next one, which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive cycle? Here the correct answer is number 1. That is, in non-primate mammal, cyclical changes during reproduction are called estrus cycle, which is absolutely correct. For primate mammals, it is menstrual cycle. For non-primate, estrus cycle. B. First menstrual cycle begins at puberty, but it is not called menopause, it's called menarche. So this statement is wrong. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy, which is once again correct statement. Cyclic menstruation extends between menarche to menopause. That is also correct. So statement A, C and D are correct. That is answer 1. Next one, two statements are given. Correct option is both statements are true. That is option 2. Low temperature preserve enzyme in a temporary inactive state, whereas high temperature destroy the enzyme due to denaturation, which is correct. Statement 2. When the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and it inhibits the activity of enzyme, it is known as competitive inhibitor. So both the statements are correct, which means option 2. Next one, radial symmetry is not found in the adults of phylum. So answer is number 3, Hemichordata. Again, match the column. Correct answer is option 3. That is, vasectomy is a surgical method of contraception. Coitus interruptus, which is natural method of contraception. Cervical cap will be a barrier method, and Saheli, which is oral contraceptive pill. So it's option number 3. Next one, again match the columns. This is related to the cells and their secretion. Peptic cell, correct answer is option 1. Peptic cell secretes proenzyme pepsinogen. Goblet cell, as you know, secretes mucus. Oxyntic or parietal cell secretes HCl, an intrinsic factor which is needed for absorption of vitamin B12. And the last, hepatic cell, which secrete bile juice. So that's option A. Next one, in which blood corpuscles the HIV undergoes replication and produces progeny viruses? So correct answer is number 2, that is helper T cell. Because you know helper T cells are CD4 cell, they have CD4 receptor, and HIV target all the cells with CD4 receptor. Next one, vital capacity of lung. So again, this is a factual thing. Vital capacity of lung include inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume. Next one, two statements are given. Correct answer is statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is correct. True. Statement 1. A protein is imagined as a line, the left end represented by first amino acid C terminal and the right end by last amino acid N terminal. So these terminals are flipped here. They should have been N terminal and C terminal, so that's wrong. Adult hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, 2 subunits of alpha type and 2 subunits of beta type, which is correct. So option 1 is correct answer. Next one, two statements, assertion and reason. Endometrium is necessary for implantation of blastocyst, which is correct. Reason, in the absence of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerate that causes disintegration of endometrium. This is also correct statement, but it does not give you the correct explanation. So option 3 is the correct answer. 174. Select the correct group or set of Australian marsupial exhibiting adaptive radiation. Here the correct answer is option 3. It's a straightforward factual thing. 175. Again match the columns. Drug and its effect. So correct answer is option 2. That is heroin. It slows down body function because it is CNS depressant. Marijuana is effect on cardiovascular system. Cocaine is considered to be interfering with transport of neurotransmitter dopamine, and morphine is one of the strongest painkiller. So option number 2. Next, again match the column. This is about the causative agent and their disease. Ringworm is caused by trichophyton, which is a fungus. Filariasis, which is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. Malaria is caused by protozoa called Plasmodium vivax, and pneumonia is by Haemophilus influenza. So correct answer is number 2. Next, two statements, true or false. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. So correct answer is number 4. Statement 1, electroprecipitator is most widely used in thermal power plant, which is correct, to precipitate carbon dust. But electroprecipitator in thermal power plant remove ionizing radiation of light. This is wrong. It does not remove ionizing radiation. 178. Again assertion and reason. Assertion is true but reason is false. So correct answer is number 4. Nephrons are of two types, cortical and juxtamedullary, based on their position in the cortex and medulla. That's correct. But reason is juxtamedullary nephrons have short loop of Henle, which is wrong. Juxtamedullary nephrons have longer loop and cortical nephrons have short loop. Next one. Which of the following function is carried out by cytoskeleton of a cell? So the correct option is number 4, motility, because you know cytoskeleton is involved in motility or movement of cell. 180. Broad palm with single palm crease is visible in a person suffering from Down syndrome. This is again a factual question, and you know that Down syndrome children are also having mental retardation. 181. Again two statements, true or false. So statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. So option 1. Statement 1. In prokaryotes, positively charged DNA. Now this is wrong. You know DNA has phosphate group which are negatively charged. Statement 2 says in eukaryotes, negatively charged DNA is wrapped around positively charged histone octamer to form nucleus. So that's correct. There are 4 types of histone proteins and 2 molecules of each type. So total 8 molecules, that is histone octamer, which is wrapped by negatively charged DNA molecule. 182. Again, it's related to ECG, match the columns. So correct answer is number 2. P wave, depolarization of atria. Then you have Q wave, which is beginning of systole. QRS complex, that is depolarization of ventricle, and T wave is repolarization of ventricle. 183. which of the following statement is correct? So here the correct answer is number 3, that is biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of toxicant at successive trophic level. So in biomagnification, as you go higher up the trophic level, concentration of toxic substances keep on increasing. So correct answer is option 3. Next one, again two statements, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Statement 1, RNA mutates at a faster rate, and statement 2, virus is having RNA genome and a shorter lifespan, mutate and evolve faster. So we all have experienced this in recent time. Coronavirus, which is an RNA virus, has mutated several times, developing new strains. So statement option 2 is correct. Both statements are true. Next one, it's related to your pedigree chart, where the correct option is number 3, that is consanguineous marriage, that is marriage within a family, blood relation. 186, parts of human brain helps in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. So obviously this is controlled by limbic system and hypothalamus, that is option number 2. 187, match the column. Correct option is answer 2, that is logistic growth is limited resource availability, exponential growth will be unlimited resource availability. Then you have expanding age pyramid. So expanding age pyramid is when percent individual of pre-reproductive age is largest, followed by reproductive and then post-reproductive. And stable age pyramid is number 4, where percent individual of pre-reproductive and reproductive group is almost the same. That's why the population stays stable. 188. Which of the following statements are correct? So, an excessive loss of body fluid from body switches off osmoreceptor, which is wrong. It will switch on osmoreceptor because you have lost fluid. ADH facilitates water absorption to prevent diuresis, which is correct. ANF causes vasodilation, that's also correct because it has to reduce your blood pressure. ADH causes increase in blood pressure, which is also correct because ADH causes water absorption, which increase blood volume and hence blood pressure. And ADH is responsible for decreasing GFR, which is wrong because if your blood pressure increases, your GFR will increase and not decrease. So the correct statements are B, C and D. That means option 3. Next one, select the correct statement with reference to chordates. Again, answer 3, that is B and C only. Presence of mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. So our nerve cord is hollow and it's not double, it's single. So this is wrong. Presence of closed circulatory system, correct. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slit, that is also correct. Presence of dorsal heart is wrong. We have ventral heart. And triploblastic pseudocoelomate is wrong because we are coelomate animal, eucoelomate. So the correct answer, statement is only B and C, that means option 3. 190. Which of the following is characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? So in cockroach, male and female sexes are separate. And how do we differentiate them? That is on the basis of presence of anal style. So option 3. Anal styles are found only in male and they are absent in female cockroach. 191. Again two statements. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. That is option number 2. During G0 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive, which is wrong. It is metabolically active. And statement 2, the centrosome undergo duplication during S phase of interphase, which is correct statement. 192. Which of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormone? We have to find out which are not under the control. So answer is C and D. That is normal rhythm of sleep and wake cycle, that's controlled by hypothalamus and not by thyroid hormone. and development of immune system, which is controlled by thymus gland and not by thyroid gland. So correct answer is number 4. 193. Which one of the following is a sequence on corresponding coding strand if the sequence on mRNA formed is as follows? See, everything remains the same, orientation will remain the same, only change would be instead of uracil in the given sequence, it will be replaced by thymine, T, because it's a coding strand which is DNA strand. So the correct answer would be number 4, 5 prime to 3 prime and uracil replaced by thymine. So ATCG repeated. Next one. The unique mammalian characteristics are, so answer is number 3, presence of hair, ear pinna and mammary gland. 195. Which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? So answer is number 1. It decreases the productivity of inbred population after continuous breeding. See, they have asked you not an advantage, which means disadvantage. And you know, in inbreeding, due to continuous inbreeding, there is something called as inbreeding depression, which means productivity of inbred population decreases. So that should be the answer. That is number 1. 196. Which of the following statements are correct? Basophils are most abundant cells. Wrong. They are least. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, which is correct. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response is also correct because they release histamine. Basophils have kidney-shaped nucleus, that's wrong. They have twisted nucleus and they are agranulocyte is wrong. They are granulocyte. So the only correct statements are B and C. That means answer 4 is correct. 197. Select the correct statement. That is correct answer is number 3, that is B and D. So during anaphase, the centromere split and chromatid separate, which is correct. And D is nucleolus, Golgi complex and ER are reformed during telophase. This is also correct. So answer 3 is correct option. 198. In cockroach, excretion is brought about by, so here you know phallic gland and collateral gland. These are two glands associated with reproduction, not excretion. So excretory glands are uricose gland, nephrocytes and fat body, that is B, C and D. So correct answer is number 4. 199. Match the columns. Mast cells, that is areolar connective tissue. Inner surface of bronchiole will have ciliated epithelium. Then you have blood, that is specialized connective tissue, and tubular part of nephron will be cuboidal epithelium. So in this case the correct answer would be A2, yeah, option number 4. That is the correct answer. A2, B1, C4 and D3. Next one, the last question from zoology section. Which of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? So, the correct statements are B and C. That is, sarcoplasmic reticulum of muscle fiber is a storehouse of calcium ion, which is correct. And striated appearance of skeletal muscle is due to distribution of actin and myosin protein. That is also correct. D option they have written M line is functional unit, which is wrong. You know that sarcomere. And in A option they have written muscle bundles are held together. It should be muscle fibers that are held together. So those two statements are incorrect. So the correct answer is number 3, that is B and C. So this was the analysis of zoology section NEET UG 2023 paper code G6. According to me, paper was lengthy. Most of the questions were based on NCERT, but still it required a lot of reading and understanding of the subject. I hope you must have performed well in this exam and I wish you all the best for your results. Also, if you have liked this, do subscribe to YouTube channel of Arihant Academy. Thank you very much.